Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Dave's Island Rum Fun. Alright, as you can see, I've got a tall glass with some ice cubes in it. The first thing I added was 1 ounce of coconut flavored rum. I used Malibu to be specific. Now I'm going to drop in 1 ounce of amaretto. If you don't know what amaretto is, ask the guy that works at your local liquor store. It's a liqueur. Pretty much available at any standard liquor store. Then you want to squeeze in about 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Then you want to add 3/4 ounce of pineapple juice. Then 1/2 ounce of cranberry juice. And last thing to do is grab a stirrer and give this a swirl. And that is Dave's Island Rum Fun. Done.